Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve question number 8 of exercise 1.38 optional math class 10th. I hope you people have already watched my previous video where I have solved question number 7 of the same exercise, and plus for all the new viewers, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and share my video with your friend so that your friend too get benefited from my video. Now let's start. So in this question number 8, we have 3 parts. We will solve each one of them one by one. So the first part I have written over here. The question says the third term and the 13th term of an AS are minus 40 and 0 respectively. What is the 28th term of this sequence? That means what is given is solution. First thing is we have to write what is provided. Given this is third term, t3 is equals to minus 40. That is, in place of t3 we can write a plus 2d equals to minus 40, implies a is equals to minus 40 minus 2d, right? So this is the value of a. Now one more term is given, which is 13th term. Also t13 is equals to 0. Okay, t13 is equal to 0. That is, in place of t13 we can write a plus 12d equals to 0, implies in place of a we can write minus 40 minus 2d from equation 1. So writing the value of a over here, we get minus 40 minus 2d, and this is plus 12d equals to 0, right? Now start solving this one. We get, implies this is equals to minus 40 plus 10d equals to 0, implies when this 40 is transferred to right hand side it becomes positive, so 10d is equals to 40, implies d is equals to 40 divided by 10, which is equals to 4. That is, d is equals to 4. Now we have found the value of d. Similarly, if we put the value of d in equation 1, we get the value of a, right? Putting the value of d in 1, we get, now what we get is, in place of d, if we keep d equal to 4 in equation 1, we get a is equals to minus 40 minus 2, and this is 4, right? The value of d is 4. So after simplifying this one, we get, implies a is equals to minus 40 and this is minus 8, which is equals to minus 48. That is, the value of a is equals to minus 48. So we have just found the value of a and d. Now what the question is asking is to find the value of 28th term. Okay, 28th term. Now 28th term, that is t28 equals to a plus 27d, right? Now this is equals to a is minus 48 and this is plus 27 multiplied by 4. So this is 27 multiplied by 4, implies if we solve this one, minus 48, and this is, so if we multiply 27 by 4, it is 4, 7 times of 4 is 28, 8, 2 carry, okay, this is plus 7, 4, 28, 8, 2 carry, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, okay, this is 108, okay, 108 minus 48, which is equals to, this is equal to 60, right? 60. That is, the value of t28 is equals to 60. So this is the required answer. So friend, we have solved the part first of question number 8, which is we have to find the T28. Similarly, we have two more parts and it is of same type. If you have understood this first part, you can just pause the video and solve the rest part, and later you can match your answer with mine. So let's do the second part. Okay, so the question is, so friend, I have just written the question number part second of question number 8. Now let's read the question. The question is saying the 7th term and the 12th term of an AS are 44 and 64 respectively. What is the 15th term of the sequence? Okay, here we have to find the 15th term. For that you have to first find the value of A and D. So let's do it. Solution. This is given T7 is equals to 44, implies in place of T7 we can write A plus 6D equals to 44, which implies A is equals to 44 minus 6D, right? This is equals to, the value of A is equals to 44 minus 6D, so let it be equation 1. Similarly we have, okay, just let's write it over here. Similarly, this is okay. Similarly we have the value of T12. Okay, T12 is equals to, this is equal to 64, implies in place of T12 we can write A plus 11D is equals to 64, right? Implies, now in place of A we can put the value of A, which is 44 minus 6D. So putting the value of A we get 44 minus 6D. In place of A we can write 44 minus 6D from equation 1, and this is plus 11D equals to 64. This is using 1, right? Because we have used the value of A from equation 1, that's why we have to write this one. So implies this is equals to 40, this is minus 6D plus 11D, which is equals to 5D plus 5D, right? Equals to 64. Implies this is 5D equals to 64 minus, when this 44 is shifted to right hand side it becomes negative, so 64 minus 44, which is implies 5D equals to 64 minus 44 is 20, right? 20, that is D equals to 20 by 5, which is 5 one time and 5 4 time, so implies D is equals to 4. So this is the value of D. Now to find the value of A, we have to put this value in equation 1, which is A equals to 44 minus 6D. Now putting the value of D in 1, we get A equals to 44 minus 6D, which is 6 into 4, implies this is equals to A equals to 44 minus 6 4 times of 6 is 24, implies A is equals to 20. So this is the value of A and D. Now what we have to find is, we have to simply find the value of 15 term, that means T15. So T15 is equals to A plus 14D, which is equals to A is 20 plus 14 multiplied by D is 4, right? This is equals to, now this is 20 plus 4 times of 14 is 56, right? 56, which gives you 56 plus 20 is 76, that is T15 equals to 76. So this is the final answer. I hope this one is also clear. Now we have one more part of the same question, and it is of same type. So let's do it. So the question is, I have written the question over here. So the question is saying, if 7th term and 10th term of AS are 17 and 41, respectively, find its 20th term. Okay, we have to find the 20th term. Again, to find the 20th term, we have to first find the value of a and d using this two term. So let's do it. Solution now given T7, this is T7 equals to 17, implies in place of T7 we can write a plus 6d is equals to 17, which give a equals to 17 minus 6d, right? This is equation 1. Also the value of T10 is equals to 41, implies we can write a plus 9d in place of T10, which is equals to 41. Now putting the value of a from equation 1, we get, implies a is 17 minus 6d plus 9d is equals to 41. This is using 1, okay, because we have replaced the value of a using equation 1, that's why we have to write this as a reason. Now this is simply equals to, okay, this is 17 and plus 3d equals to 41, right? Minus 6d plus 9d is 3d, and this is same, implies now 3d is equals to 41 minus, when this 17 is transferred to right hand side, it becomes negative, so 41 minus 17 implies, now this is 3d equals to 41 minus 17 is 11 minus 7 is 4, and this is 3 minus 1 is 2, right? 24, implies d equals to 24, and when this 3 is transferred to right hand side, it will divide the 24, so it is equal to 24 divided by 3, implies d is equals to, this is 3 1 and 8 times of 3 is 24, so d is equals to 8. So we have just got the value of d. Now to get the value of a, we have to put the value of d in equation number 1. Putting the value of d in 1, we get, what we get is a equals to 17 minus 6d, right, which is 8, implies a equals to 17 minus 8 times of 6 is 48, implies a equals to, this is equals to how much, minus 31, right, minus 31. Now we just got the value of a and d. What we have to do is to find the value of T20th term. So T20 equals to a plus 19d, which is equals to, in place of a we can put the value which is minus 31 plus 19 multiplied by d is 8, right? Minus 31 plus 19 multiplied by 8, so minus 31 plus 19 multiplied by 8, which is equals to, this is minus 31 and plus 8 times of 19 is 152, right, 152. So this is equals to, minus 31 plus 152 is simply equals to, this is 1 to 1, right? 152 minus 31 is 1 to 1, that is T20 equals to 1 to 1. So this is the final answer of this particular question. I hope we have completed all the 3 parts of question number 8. I hope this is useful and you understood all the 3 parts easily. So if you found this video helpful, then please share it with your friend, and to all the new viewers, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, practice hard and stay healthy. See you in next video.